families, 275-mile range, spacious interior, and starting at just $37,000. Perfect for daily commutes and weekend adventures. Number 3. Ford Mustang Mach-E. This electric SUV brings muscle car DNA with 480 horsepower and under 4 seconds 0 to 60 times. Premium materials meet cutting-edge tech in this $43,000 performance machine. Number 2. Nissan Ariya. Sleek, futuristic design meets 389 horsepower and 300-mile range, starting at $40,000. Advanced driver assistance and wireless charging make this a tech lover's dream. Number 1. BYD Seal. The performance king with 516 horsepower, 400-mile range, and 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. All this for just $35,000. Incredible value meets incredible performance. What makes 2025 special? Faster charging, longer ranges, and more affordable pricing than ever before. Plus, advanced safety features and sustainable materials in every model. 2025 is the year electric goes mainstream. Whether you want performance, practicality, or pure value, there's an electric car for you. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more electric vehicle updates.